There's something that many people don't know. Your body starts losing muscle mass as early as your 30s. And after the age of 50, this process happens faster than you might think. That means every time you feel your legs weakening, your steps slowing down, or simply feel tired when standing for long periods, it's not just because of old age, it's because your muscles are leaving you. But the good news is, you can completely prevent and reverse this. By simply changing what you eat every day, you can help your legs become stronger, steadier, and stay independent longer. In today's video, we will explore 7 simple, familiar, but extremely effective foods that help restore leg muscles and prevent muscle weakness in older adults. And here's the surprising part. 95% of older adults don't even know about these foods. Leg muscles don't just help us walk. They keep us standing strong, climbing stairs, and even getting out of bed. But after the age of 50, the body can lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle mass each year if not properly trained and nourished. This leads to a condition called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, which is the leading cause of falls, injuries, and loss of self-care ability in older adults. Fortunately, what you eat every day can make a huge difference. And we will start with 7 types of foods that help increase leg muscle in older adults. Stay tuned as we explore each superfood in detail and discover how simple changes in your diet and meal timing can bring significant benefits to your health. Eggs increase muscle with leucine and high-quality protein. Eggs are not just a common food, they are like a small gym. Each egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein, most of which is in the egg white, but the yolk contains vitamin D, B12, and choline, all of which are essential for muscle recovery. Particularly, eggs contain leucine, an amino acid that is crucial in triggering muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Leucine acts like a starter switch, causing the body to switch from a maintenance mode to a building muscle mode. So, the best way to consume eggs is eat 1 to 2 boiled eggs in the morning after light exercise. If you have cholesterol issues, you can eat 1 egg yolk along with 1 to 2 egg whites. But if you're looking for an easier-to-eat protein source with less fat and flexibility for daily meals, the next option won't disappoint. Chicken breast. High in protein, low in saturated fat, easy to digest for older adults. Older adults need more protein than younger people, but they digest it more slowly. Therefore, lean white meat like chicken breast is the ideal choice. Low in fat, easy to chew, and rich in high-quality animal protein. In 100 grams of cooked chicken breast, there are approximately 30 to 32 grams of protein, enough to support muscle preservation in each main meal. Additionally, chicken breast contains vitamin B3, which helps metabolize energy more effectively and reduces muscle fatigue during physical activity. Wondering how to prepare it? Here are some suggestions for you. You can steam it with ginger for easier digestion and to reduce odor, or shred it and mix it into a vegetable salad or brown rice porridge. Note: avoid deep frying as older adults have difficulty digesting animal fats. However, for muscles to truly develop comprehensively, we also need to supplement with healthy fats, and that's when fish takes the lead. Salmon and mackerel. Prevent muscle loss with omega-3 and vitamin D. Omega-3 in fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, is not only good for heart health, but also fights muscle inflammation, a major factor contributing to muscle loss in older adults. Some studies show that older adults who regularly supplement with omega-3s maintain muscle better than those who don't, even without exercising much. Salmon is also a rich source of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium more effectively, increasing bone strength, thereby helping stabilize leg muscles while walking. The ideal way to consume this food is 2 to 3 times a week, baked in the oven, or pan-fried without oil. You can also pair it with steamed vegetables or mashed sweet potatoes. For those who have difficulty chewing, fish porridge or soft steamed fish are good alternatives. But the body doesn't only need protein. It also needs micronutrients to control muscle contraction. And you'll be surprised to learn how important greens are in this process. Dark green vegetables enhance muscle function. You may have heard the advice, eat more vegetables 100 times. But not many people know that dark green vegetables are not only a source of fiber, but also a secret weapon for supporting muscles in older adults. The question is, why are dark greens good for leg muscles? Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, kale are rich in minerals such as magnesium, supports muscle contraction, prevents cramps. Potassium balances electrolytes in muscle cells. Calcium and vitamin K strengthen bones, support leg muscles. Vitamin C and antioxidants reduce inflammation, fight oxidation. Very important as the body begins to age. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021 showed that people who consumed 1 to 2 servings of dark leafy greens daily had 33% less muscle loss compared to those who ate fewer greens. Here are some flexible ways to use them for older adults. Sauté lightly with olive oil and add garlic for extra flavor. Cook a simple soup with bones or minced soft meat. Combine in brown rice, porridge, or egg noodles. Blend spinach, banana, and soy milk into a smoothie. Easy to drink, easy to absorb. Ideal time to use. Use for lunch or dinner, paired with a protein source like eggs or fish to optimize nutrient absorption. And if you're looking for a plant-based, easily digestible protein source that is good for heart health and antioxidants, then don't overlook soybeans and soy-based products. Tofu and soy milk, plant-based protein for sustainable muscle. When it comes to protein, people often think of meat. But actually, soybeans and soy products like tofu, unsweetened soy milk, are excellent sources of protein for older adults, especially those who eat little meat or are vegetarians. What does tofu provide for your muscles? Plant-based protein, low in saturated fat, ideal for the slow digestion of older adults. Isoflavones, compounds with a structure similar to estrogen, help reduce inflammation and prevent muscle loss, especially in older women. Provides calcium, iron, and magnesium to strengthen bones and help recover after light activity. According to a study by the U.S. National Institute of Nutrition, older adults who regularly consumed soy had higher muscle density, especially in the legs and back, 2 areas that typically lose the most muscle after age 60. Suitable preparation for older adults. Soft tofu steamed with mushrooms and ginger. Soft, easy to swallow, stimulates digestion. Unsweetened soy milk in the morning, paired with whole wheat bread or oats. Tofu seaweed soup or tofu with tomatoes helps change the flavor. Recommended frequency for this food: 4 to 6 servings per week to maintain regular protein levels. But no matter how much protein you consume, if your body lacks the minerals to send signals to your muscles, all that effort becomes pointless. And here's a common fruit that will help solve that problem. Banana, the mineral that prevents cramps. Have you or someone you know ever woken up with a calf cramp in the middle of the night? That's a sign of an electrolyte imbalance, and bananas are the simplest natural remedy. Bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, the triad that helps transmit nerve signals between your brain and muscles. Potassium helps muscles contract smoothly, preventing stiffness and cramping. Magnesium reduces the risk of abnormal muscle contractions and aids recovery after physical activity. Vitamin B6 supports protein metabolism, providing energy to your muscles. One medium-sized banana, approximately 118 grams, contains 422 milligrams of potassium, 32 milligrams of magnesium, 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6. Next, let me suggest the best ways to use it. Eat one banana directly in the morning or after light exercise. Slice it and pair it with Greek yogurt and oats. Mash it into a pancake. No sugar needed. And finally, to make sure all your nutritional efforts actually get absorbed and used effectively, you'll need a food that supports digestion, is protein-rich, and easy to eat every day. This last item is the perfect choice. Greek yogurt boosts absorption and supports digestion. For older adults, protein absorption isn't just about how much you eat. It's also about how well your body can digest and metabolize it. And that's exactly why Greek yogurt stands out. What makes Greek yogurt special is its protein content, nearly twice as much as regular yogurt. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of nutrients to your muscles. Probiotic bacteria help support digestion and improve the absorption of nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, and iron, all crucial for muscle and bone health. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2022 found that daily supplementation with Greek yogurt helped improve lean muscle mass and reduced muscle degeneration in adults over 60, especially when combined with light exercise like walking. Leg strength isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you eat. Your body is quietly rebuilding itself every day, and the foods you choose are the building blocks that support your muscles, helping you stay flexible, balanced, and free to move through life with ease. Start today. Every small meal can make a big difference down the road. You can't turn back time, but you can slow down the signs of aging, starting with your legs. The foods we share in this video aren't magic pills, but they are backed by science, recommended by experts, and most importantly, they're safe, easy to find, and simple to add to your daily routine. By including them in your everyday meals, you're giving your body the silent support it needs. Maintaining mobility, reducing the risk of falls, improving flexibility, and rebuilding muscle that naturally declines with age. And the best part? You don't have to change everything overnight. Just start today with a small meal, a cup of yogurt, or a morning egg. Bit by bit, your body will feel the difference. Dr. Susan Mitchell, registered dietitian and aging specialist. Protein, omega-3s, and key micronutrients like magnesium and vitamin D are critical for maintaining muscle mass and strength in older adults. Nutrition should always go hand in hand with regular movement. The important thing is not just eating the right foods, but also eating enough. Proper nutrition, combined with gentle physical exercises, will help you maintain and build muscle most effectively. And sometimes, small changes in your daily eating habits can make a big difference in your quality of life. We know that aging can bring many challenges, but trust that every day you can do something small yet meaningful to improve your health. And it all starts with your eating habits. Remember that your health is a top priority. Don't let age determine your strength. Let you take control of your health. Healthy legs don't just help you walk. They're the foundation for living a more active and confident life. By combining muscle-friendly foods and maintaining a proper nutritional regimen, you will feel the difference not only physically, but also mentally. For a healthier future, start taking action today. Don't hesitate to try the foods featured in this video. And remember, you are never too old to start taking care of your health. Wishing you strength and boundless energy. If this video has helped you better understand how to eat smart to maintain muscle strength, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Sometimes just one video can change an entire health journey.